Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome to my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to our family. And if you're old to my channel, what it do, what's up, what's happening, what's good, it's your girl back again for another video. And today I'm teaching you how to cheat on a beat, because I mean, like, when you're running late and you got somewhere to go, you don't have time to do your makeup but you still want to slay. This is my cheat face. This is what I do, like, on those days where, okay, I gotta go class and I only got 10 minutes left, like, periods. I gotta look right, still flawless, still looking right, skin looking good, you know, you got on a little bit of makeup but you don't have time. This is for those people who don't really do makeup, you know, but they just need a little something extra. So this one I'm showing you how to cheat on a beat. Side note, I mean, I also did my hair, so if you haven't seen my how to refresh your curls look, make sure you go check that out right there. And also, you know, if you want to see a tutorial on how I get this look, I let my friend do this look on me, but you guys know that when I get my locks and stuff like that, I love doing the half up half bun type look. So if you want to see a video on that, comment down below. But without further ado, we're gonna get started. Let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Now I'm using my LA Girls Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal my eyes. I really like using this concealer. I don't have to use too much, so I just kind of make a triangle underneath my eyes, then go down the bridge of my nose, and then on my forehead, and maybe around my frown lines, around my mouth. Notice that I did not use foundation. We're cheating on a beat, so no foundation. Your concealer is going to take the place of that foundation. And I'll be taking my beauty blender and blending. Yes, if my best friend was here, she'd be like, blend, girl, blend. So that's what we'll be doing, blending. I love beauty blenders. Soaks up all that excess makeup, makes it so smooth. So now I'm using Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Hazelnut, placing it on my face. Then I'm going to give it time to set, and then we're going to blend some more. So now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverlyhills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. Y'all, I'm just going over my brows with this dip brow pomade. Like, I'm not making Instagram brow. That's just it. We just going to fill that in just a little bit. We ain't got time, so we ain't got time. Now I'm blending. Blend, girl. Yes, blend. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And so what setting powder does is it's like a sponge. It soaks it up, that wet concealer. We want that matte look. That's what setting powder does. So now I'm taking the Clove and Hallow mascara. If you haven't seen the video on this review, I had a review on this brand. You can go check that out right now. But I love this mascara. It elongated my lashes very nicely. Okay, so now I'm taking my MAC blush in Lovejoy, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks just to give my cheeks some color. Then lastly, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Nubia highlight. Y'all know I love highlights, so we got to go down the bridge of my nose, on my cheeks, on my lips, and all of that. All of that got to get in there. To be giving me some color for my lips, you know, I love color. We'll be doing the LA Colors Lock-It Dual Lipstick. And I'm taking that nude shade. I'm going in first. And then after, I'm going in with my MAC Chestnut, my favorite lip liner. And I'm just going to give me a good nude look. After, I'm taking the Lock-It again, applying the gloss on top. And that gives me that great nude, just sultry lip that I'm looking for. I love it all the time. And that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed me cheating on a beat. I love you lots. Comment down below, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.